he's getting pretty good at the recall stuff, so we're just gonna let him hunt out here, and we'll work on that a little bit and fire a blank over him, see how he does with that. So here's Ranger. Hunt him up. Now he's pointed. I don't know if y'all can see him there, but he is pointed up here. And him, just like DD, hits the birds quick. Both of them do, and I really like that. Hits them hard and fast. Wish DD held better, but she will when I get done with her. Get her wool broke. She'll hold pretty good. But he's holding good right now. So we're gonna go up here and flush this bird, fire blank, and see how he does with that. He's got a great nose on him. Keeps his nose up high. He don't point down low, and most of his points are just like this right here. He's up, got his head up high, and just waiting for the flush. So we're just gonna look here. There's the bird. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right out there. He still ain't moved a muscle. So we're just gonna ease up in here and flush the bird. And fire. Ain't nothing. Okay. Ranger. In here. Ranger. In here. In here. Good boy. It's not, yeah, I guess. Good boy. Yeah, that's that on mailbird. Alright, so there's another one here. He was the last one I planted. Alright, come on. Ranger, come on. Come on. And I'm letting him carry him just like that. Right here where I want it. Good boy. Atta boy. Atta boy, Ranger. Atta boy. Come on. Come on, Ranger. I let them carry them like that before I force break them, just to see if they'll start kind of naturally bringing it to me. Come on. Hunt them up. And he brought it pretty close to me. And that's what I like. So just let him hunt a little longer. Whoa. Look what we got here. Another one? Yeah. I knew I planted 4 out here. I just couldn't remember exactly where the other one was, but let the nose find them. That's what it's all about. That's why I like planting them like I do, because I can't remember where they are. So, you know, it's not like I can lead them to the birds. I just remember the area that I put them. Okay, so he says there's a bird in here. And he's right, because it's right there. So we're just gonna step back this way. He thinks it's over here, but we're gonna go here with him. Let him chase. And that, my friends, is getting ready for, see there? Now that's pretty much a natural retrieve. He went and picked that bird up, and look what he's done. He's coming right back to me with it. Come here. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ranger, Ranger. Come here, Ranger. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. So, he'll be ready for fall, because I got a couple coming at you. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out the rest of my videos on my channel. And have a good day. Just got done mowing the yard, kind of hot and sweaty. Thought I'd get something cold to drink, so we're gonna try something new. I've always been the kind of guy that enjoyed a good cold Bud Light after a hot day. Every now and then I'd mix my Bud Light in with some tomato juice. It's what we call red beer, and just, you know, kind of refreshing drink. So I went down to the beer store earlier and wanted to get, I was gonna go get some Bud Light and wanted to try something new, so I ended up getting some Bud Light Chelada. And we're gonna give it a shot here. Let you kind of see my review on it. Now I don't, boy howdy, I'm not sponsored by these people or anything. You know, there's not a paid promotion. I'm just, my review on Bud Light Chelada, the original. So we're gonna give it a shot here. It's getting cold and I can already taste it, so we'll see how it's gonna go. That's pretty good stuff. I usually use the spicy V8 juice in my, when I make my red beer, but that ain't got quite the kick to it that spicy V8 does, but that's pretty good stuff. I believe I'll have some more of those. Y'all got a beer or a whiskey, some booze you want me to try, just drop a comment there and we'll try to do this about every evening, or every time I do a video. Every time I get done working dogs, we'll give you some taste test on your favorite booze. And you boys that I'm field trialing with, if you want to try this Bud Light Chelada, beat me in a field trial this year and I'll buy you one. As always, run your dogs and not your mouth.